meal prep ko, no, healthy snacking tayo for today. So before anything else, so makita ko lang po yung aking Herbalife story. Okay. So ako po si Aida Villa Ignacio from Santa Rosa, Laguna. And before Herbalife po, I used to work for a hotel overseas. And dun po sa trabaho namin, libre po yung aming pagkain. So, I binaximize ko yun. So, I gained a lot of weight. Yung aking energy level po was so low. Very sluggish yung lifestyle, very inactive. But because of deciding to be part of this healthy community, I was able to learn a lot of things. How will I be able to manage my lifestyle? And sobrang nakakatuwa lang that because of this community, I learned not only about nutrition, but also about fitness. So before, very sluggish yung lifestyle, pero ngayon, very excited ako to do the run, the Herbalife run. So before, I didn't have the confidence to do any physical activities, but because of my coach who encouraged me to, to do the 20% exercise, ang laking po nun, tulong sa sa overall mindset mo to become healthier. So we're looking forward to do the Herbalife run. So we're preparing for that. You can choose different distances dun sa sa run natin, and it's a great way to end the year. So with a good fitness goal, so I'm very excited for that. So when I decided to do Herbalife full time, just like the other coaches na nagsalita kanina, I made sure that I enjoy the 50% discount as I operate my nutrition club. So I'm turning 10 years old doing the Herbalife business, pero I'm just happy that I'm actually part of this community for the past 20 years because of my mom who's been taking the products for 21 years now. So yun. So I was able to lose unwanted weight, gain a lot of confidence, and gain a lot of friends in this healthy community. So yun. So next po tayo, next slide po. Okay, so in the community po, this is what I do. I like sharing about healthy snack options, healthy shake preparations, how you can enjoy Herbalife nutrition nang yung hindi natin typical na pinakalog sa shaker cup or blender sa ating blending machine. So for today, we're gonna be enjoying this recipe. So it's nutty protein brownies. So who likes brownies, di ba? So during your treat day, actually this is very guiltless. As you can see, you can take a screenshot of the recipe. So very simple lang siya. We have here our Herbalife 24. So yan, no? Na yung Herbalife 24 is not your regular shake. This is actually made from what do you call this? Milk proteins coming from whey and casein. So this one is your recovery shake. So ito yung main ingredient for this recipe. Okay, so let's get started. Ayan. So excited na ba kayo to make this recipe? Very simple lang po siya. You will only need few things. So let's start with the shake. Okay, so we have it here. Then I have here a banana. So di ba typically we blend our shake with a banana. Okay. I have here peanut butter. So ang peanut butter ko po is sugar-free peanut butter. I have some chocolate chips and cocoa powder. So flex ko lang. I got this what do you call this? Air fryer. So, pwede nyo gamitin your air fryer, your oven toaster. So, this one po kasi came from Herbalife. Natutuwa ako kasi this was a surprise from Herbalife. I didn't know what I qualified. Basta, it just came, that was, it was addressed from Herbalife. Tapos, they gave this to me. So, I'm just happy to use it for our session today. So, yan. So, very simple. So, you have your bowl. Okay, so you get your banana. For this recipe, pwede niyo po siyang i-triple. So, kung for example, tatlo kayong kakain. So, gawa kayo ng triple the recipe nung kung ano yung indicated dun sa nilagay natin dun sa recipe guide. Okay, so what I have here is 1 banana. So, imamash nyo lang po ito. So, ito pong recipe na to doesn't have egg. But if you wish to add egg, no problem. Tapos what if, question if, what if wala akong H24 and I only have chocolate F1 shake? No problem. Pwede na rin po yung gamitin. What if you don't have the F1 chocolate? You can use your personalized protein powder, then add more cocoa. Cocoa na lang later. Okay, so mash na po yung ating banana. Then we'll add in 2 tablespoons of our sugar-free peanut butter. If you don't have a sugar-free peanut butter, just use your regular peanut butter. Wala naman po problem. So, okay, so we'll add in 2 tablespoons. Actually, optional nyo din na lagyan ng peanut butter, pero mas masarap po siya. You add a peanut butter. Okay, then mix mo lang. It's a very easy recipe po, lalo na kung gusto nyo lang ng something to munch on during the day, healthy snack. So, yan. Okay, next is we have here our Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength. So, ito pong ating rebuild strength. Masarap din po siyang gawing protein balls. So, 2 scoops po. So, this is 1 full serving. By the way, this one po is really packed with protein. This one has grams of protein po. Okay, and before ko po siya ihalo, I'll be adding a tablespoon of cocoa. So, para lang mas mag-intensify yung lasa po ng chocolate. So, mix lang po natin to ayos. May question po ba?
Yes, Coach Aika. Yeah. Thank you habang minamash mo pa yan. Ayan, minimix mo siya. Doon naman na-mention mo kanina, no? Like if we have the regular F1 shake, mga ilang ano yun, ilang scoop ang kailangan nating ilagay? Pagkagayon.
Since mas marami yung serving in terms of yung sa H24, pwede mo siyang i-replace with 3 scoops of F1 the regular shake.
Okay. So bali tatlong scoops lang nung natin, nung sa scooper natin, no? Sige, thank you. Thank you. Ayan, blessed day po kay Sir Aldwin. Ayan, magandang buhay po. Habang nagpe-prepare. Guys, if you have question, feel free to chat also sa ating chat box.
Yes. Coach, ikaw ba? Have you tried something like this na before?
No.
Yung ganito.
Pa na-try yan. As in, first time.
So,
very interesting. Diba? Kasi gusto natin ngumunguya tayo minsan eh. Diba? So, kaya napaka-interesting talaga and malaking help, no? Sa ating healthy snacking. Ayan.
Naging very fudgy siya. So, ito pong, napapansin mo, hindi siya ganun kadami. Kasi, ang ko dito is, this can be a personal, personal brownie. Say, for example, para sa'yo lang siya. So, ito lang yung if you wish to share this with a friend or family member, just double the recipe. Tapos, if you want it to be, yung parang mas basa, you can add in more, say, half a banana pa, gano'n. This one is actually okay, yung ganitong consistency. Para talaga siyang brownie batter.
Okay. for the peanut butter na share mo kanina, Coach Aika, ano to? Pwede rin almond butter, pwede rin ganon?
Yes, any nut butter po will
Oo, personal preference nila. Basta wala tayong hinalong ano, no? May na-add ng water kanina.
wala po kung in-add the water. Yung liquid po will parang mas manggagaling siya dun sa banana.
Banana. Okay, thank you.
Moist niya. So I have here, so ano na siya? Halo na siya. So I have here po small pan. So niline ko lang siya with ito po, parang parchment paper. Or you can, if you don't have this one, pwede niyo po siyang lagyan ng foil. Okay? Kung wala po kayong ganitong pan, pwede din po yung leche, yung lalagyan ng leche plan, yung oblong. Pwede nyo rin yung i-improvise. Yan. So, now, we'll add in the batter. Dito po sa ating pan. So, per lang, simutin nyo na siya. Lagay nyo na everything. Actually, ginawa ko siya ng mga previous na ano. So, syempre, you know, you do your recipe testing, how it will turn out, kung gaano ba siya kasarap, ano mga improvements na pwedeng gagawin sa kanya. And sobrang nakakatawa kasi yung buong bahay ko amoy brownies. Yes. Super nakakatakam siya. So, another activity that you can do with your kids, if you have, you're looking for an activity to do over the weekend, yan, pwede nyo po yan gawin. So now, to make it more brownie-like, so syempre, we feast with our eyes. So ito po, additional topping lang, about a tablespoon of your chocolate chips. So since this is a treat, you get to treat yourself. So if you're going to use ito po katulad ng ganito na air fryer, so simple lang siya. So demo po ganyan. Okay, so lalagay niyo lang po siya inside. Tapos iset niyo po yung inyong oven for 10 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit po. So for this one po, pwede niyong